Crazy blizzard currently happening in Minot, North Dakota. I don't know the exact winds or anything like that, but this is just, you know, a little glimpse into the North Dakota weather.
I would go down there, but I can't even see. Look.
You can't even see. Zero visibility.
White out.
Let's roll down the windows. Nothing out there. You can't see anything.
It's starting to be drifts in the middle of the road over
here. That's North Dakota for you. Oh no, I might be getting a cold. There's some of the big hotels they're putting up. Well, that are already up. There's like 6 hotels on this street. Sores Valley. Alright, we're coming up to the city. Not really. This is just like Walmart area. This is like the outskirts of the city.
It's Walmart.
Microtel. Walmart. Holiday Inn Express. You've already seen like 5 hotels on the street. It's Walmart. Pizza Ranch. I worked there for like 1 month. It sucked. A week. 1 month. Whatever. Some Buffalo Wild Wings over there. For all you Tampa folks who know what that is. You know.
Going back into the blizzard now.
Back into the blizzard. Tire Lube Express.
That's what you do for fun around here. Drive in the blizzard.
You drive, yeah. That's the fun part of North
like
Dakota.
blizzards. It's not.
And we're going back onto the street.